Assalamu alaikum everyone and hello, hope you're all well. Today is Saturday and we have decided to have the breakfast together, the traditional breakfast. So we have decided to have poori, chickpea curry and vegetable potato curry, and Arjun is going to make the tea and he's going to make us some fresh orange juice. Arjun's peeling is done and Arjun's tea. It's not Arjun's tea, it's tea for all of us, but Arjun made it, so this tea is also ready. This is how the Indian labor teas. Kadak chai.
बिल्कुल करेक्ट. अदरवाइज आपको पूरा हाथ में पकड़ना पड़ता है.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Guys, I didn't say cheers. So tea made with love and ginger, but it's gingery love, so it's really like a gingery flavored chai. Chopped onion with love. Have you ever seen this before? The good news is our this first time experience was successful. We boiled chana's without soaking. So mission accomplished.
Bravo.
Bravo.
And now Arjun bhai is getting ready for his curry.
नहीं अभी हमने केवल प्याज डाला है. प्याज
Guys,
प्याज बाद में
look at
डालेंगे.
our-
Yeah, that's interesting. That's going together. Pyaz and
Yeah. So here we go. This is for
poori. We're making
okay.
poori.
We are making poori with chana sabzi. चना तो बॉईल हुआ. यहाँ से प्यार की
That was really nice.
Yeah. And this is from Arjun. And here you go from Nazia.
It's me.
Yeah, again. ये प्याज की आवाज है. अभी टोमेटो Oh, this is our neighbor cat, and you can see when it doesn't say meow. Yeah, it's looking as if like we are strangers. We are just your neighbors, yeah?
I think we are strangers for her.
No. Chopped tomatoes.
वो है हल्का आपने वो बड़ा किया है.
Yeah, then they thought like we are making really big. This is spice box from Arjun. I know he never used it.
Yeah, this is the first time you're using. aren't
Yeah,
you?
No,
he never
see,
uses it. He keeps.
Some of my spices are getting empty.
Yeah,
so I've
it's
been
like
using
when
it.
he used
Okay.
like once in a
That's
month,
very
then
free.
obviously he puts more just to make sure that it gets over. So this is pyar ka tomato. Yeah, it's like this onion. Yeah, it's getting brown just because of pyar.
I think the highlight of the breakfast is pyar.
Yeah. Okay, this is puri ka atta, puri ki atta.
Puri ka atta is
Acha,
ready.
Puri ka atta ready.
The dough is ready and it's laid well, so we are going to leave it for resting, and then we'll start making our chickpea curry.
Yeah, today's chefs are like Nazia, Di, and Arjun bhai. यहाँ पे देख लो पा. Yeah, guys, good. One second, please. One second.
Yeah, come again. No, it's
Oh my god.
Arjun never throws anything, but whenever he throws, that food is like shouting, "Please throw me now!"
Yeah.
It's actually not the only aloo sabzi, it's a aloo sabzi with love.
With pyaz.
And in Hindi you can say aloo ki sabzi with pyaz hai.
क्या सब्जी भी बताओ.
So we are. What we have done here?
here.
हमने यहाँ पे onion fry कर लिया. We are just
क्या कहते हैं?
making the gravy by adding some tomato. So I've put salt right after the tomato so that it will dissolve, and let's give it some time to rest. And I need to find my cover.
Yeah.
So we just added the potatoes, boiled potatoes,
Okay.
to our mixture, the masala mixture.
Okay, masala mixture. This is called aloo sabji.
So we're just gonna keep it for a few more minutes.
Chickpea curry.
Okay. So for that we made something.
I'm adding oil.
Okay.
And Now, and then I'll be adding some grounded paste which I made it with onion, green chilies, garlic and ginger.
Okay.
So I'm going to saute it.
Yep.
And then I'll check. Then I'll add chickpeas, boiled chickpeas, and other spices.
Okay. Hey, Arjun.
I'm just throwing the rubbish.
That's really good.
One needs to keep the kitchen clean.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's very, very important.
And here you go. We got a background music for it. This is called Shastri Sangeet or Hindustani Sangeet.
Aisha's commentary is so important, like so nice.
Valuable.
So valuable. Thanks for adding a correct one. I'm not gonna edit this.
Oh, no.
So ye,
What is this, Nadia?
this is, I'm still sauteing ginger, garlic, onion paste to change its, can change its color.
This is gravy, charcoal gravy. And here you go, chaana, salad.
The gravy name has completely changed from aloo kind of gravy to
Pyar ka
dal
aloo
ke-
gravy.
Huh. So
People
here you
really
go.
think- Everybody will be wondering what's pyar ki.
So they can try it at least. If you say aloo sabzi, that's common. They say, yeah, we can make it.
I don't know. I'm happy to make even more liquidy. Yeah, itna gravy काफी है.
नहीं इतना ग्रेवी काफी है ना नाजिब.
बस बहुत है भाई क्योंकि टर्न दिस ऑफ बिकॉज वो जैसे कूल होगा और ठीक हो जाएगा.
आप लेमन डाल लेते.
मैं भी डालना है मेरे को. नमक डालते ही नमक डालता हूँ.
ठीक है.
कोई नहीं.
Here you go, our char kapuri. No, all puris are like really good.
या ये गंदो माटी की वजह से.
Oh,
क्या चीज?
look here.
Very moटा होता है.
Oh.
Nadia's kitchen.
यार I wish.
इधर.
This is proper bhaturas.
I bring it. Put it. Bhatura.
आशा और बॉल्स भी बना रही है. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So while I'm frying puris, Arjun is quickly squeezing some fresh orange juice for all of us. Yummy, which you can't wait. So after all that preparation, our breakfast is ready, so we can all sit together and enjoy and catch up from the week. But again, thanks to Arjun for making us that fresh orange juice. Thanks to Asha and Umesh for their help in shooting this video for me. And thank you all again for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.